They come in this little... What? I'm gonna put the phone... Set the Stage Ultra Fine Loose Setting Powder. And watch my channel. I'm sure if that... Ah! I gotta sneeze now. Ah! Nail went right in it. Setting spray. Whoa. I'm gonna spray my face with the... I'm gonna set my safe. Just dip this into my bronzer instead of my highlight. It's on the floor. Ah! Ah! Why do I drop everything? Do you guys have any palettes you want me to see? You want me to see? I'm gonna switch to my... What is this? What the heck is this? Ah! Hula Light. And this is annoying. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, what a waste. Concealer, I'm going to take Tarte. And then for primer, no, I already did primer. For blush, For, what am I saying? What am I using? So I'm going to take this Too Faced Natural Face Palette and... Oh! Blooper. I think that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.